Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Pisces. This is your daily love reading, Pisces. Let's see what's coming up, guys. I'll be picking 5 cards from this deck, guys. Okay, Pisces. And Pisces, so the energy I'm getting here is you feel you're stuck in a situation and you need to break away and broaden your horizons, and what to say, you're dreaming about new ventures. Okay, in order to do that you need to take the first step, guys. You need to leave your comfort zone and explore the options outside. Okay, so that is the energy here. If you do not take that step, okay, make the first step towards your journey, to achieve your goals, whatever you're wishing for. Okay, and it's not going to be easy, guys. You're facing lots of challenges. Okay, you have the knowledge about things, but still you feel you're facing lots of confusions and challenges on the way. Okay, you are feeling sick and tired of failures you have had till now. Okay, this may be your energy or your person's energy, guys, and now may be the time to overcome them all, guys. That is the energy here. You will be having friends and family who are what to say, who look up to you, who love you, who have a special bond with you. They are ready to help you all. Okay, so that is also the energy here. And when you accept the challenge as it is, without any fear, without any when you see the truth as it is, when you see your situation as it is, whatever kind of challenge it is in your work or in your relationship, whatever difficulty you're facing, whenever you just watch it, okay, and accept it as it is, you will get a clear solution, guys, for the issue. So you just need to take a pause and think how to act and go for the solution. So that is the energy here, Pisces. There are people waiting to help you, family, friends. So that is also the energy here. You will have knowledge about things, how to do to overcome the issue. You just need to take the first step, guys, towards your goal and towards your achievement. So that is the energy here. So you have to take the leap of faith, guys. Believe in yourself and have that confidence to move out of your comfort zone, okay, and face the challenges. So that is the energy I'm getting here, Pisces. Let's take 3 more cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Okay, there's an angel card. Universal heart. Okay, nice. be free. Okay, guys. Okay, Pisces. So you just have to let go of all your inhibitions, guys, regarding things. You need to see the truth for yourself. Okay, instead of seeing the perceived truth, you need to see the truth for yourself, whatever it is, and overcome all the, what to say, you may feel bad and you may lack the inspiration to take the first step, but you should know that only you can change your life, guys. Only you can change the destiny, and only you can create opportunities for yourself, Pisces. So you need to take the first step, guys. So based on the experience you were having till now, okay, uh, you will know how to go about things. You're surely having the knowledge about things, okay. So you just have to overcome the block you're feeling to take the first step for the new venture, guys, to go out in the world and achieve what you need to achieve in your life. So that is the energy I'm getting here, Pisces. And you need to let go of all your inhibitions, guys. Negative energies, the negative memories, thoughts, whatever is blocking you, okay. So you just need to take remember only the lessons we have learned, okay, and you have to feel free, okay. This connection with this person, in this relationship, this may be a twin flame soulmate connection, guys. So that is also the energy here. And so you need to take the leap of faith, Pisces. You have lots of challenges just like everyone else, okay. So all we need to do is have trust in ourselves, have trust in our abilities, in our knowledge, and go ahead and grab the opportunity and reach the goal. So that is the energy here, Pisces. That is the reading for you all today, guys. Thanks for watching, Pisces. I'll be doing reading every day, guys. Stay tuned. Bye, guys. See you all tomorrow.